everyone, so today I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Sacheu Beauty dual-sided beauty roller and travel pouch. So this is how it looks like. It comes in a box that's very durable, and the box has a magnetic closure. Let's open it back up again, and it comes with a travel pouch here, so you can safely put your roller in there whenever you're traveling. It helps prevent it from like scratches and stuff like that, and it's very nice. It's kind of like a soft fabric there. Okay, so here's how it looks like. It's very nice. It's very heavy, I guess. That's like first impressions. As you can hear, there is no squeaking like other Jade rollers out there, which I love, and I look forward to using this on a more regular basis. I got it because I want to use it with like facial serums to help it kind of you know, go into the skin in a very like comfortable massaging way. And this side here I will be using for like my under eye area. I like how small it is, and just to gently kind of like roll it there. So that's like my intended purpose of purchasing this. I really like how durable it claims to be, because let me show you my old Jade roller. It's right here. As you can see, it broke. I know I can probably super glue this back or something, but I mean, it really didn't last very long, and it squeaks a lot. Like, you can't really hear it now, but it usually squeaks really loud. So that's my Jade roller. I also bought a rose quartz facial roller, and that one broke in half before it even got to be used on my face. I put it in my makeup bag, and something heavier in my makeup bag probably got to it. I'm not quite sure. I didn't see it when it broke, but it was it broke in half. And so I have two rollers that didn't quite last me very long, and so that's why I decided to purchase this one. I figured stainless steel is a durable material, and I mean, and it's colder too. Like, if you feel it, it's much cooler than the Jade and the rose quartz material. So that would be really good and beneficial for your skin. The cooling effect helps to kind of, you know, reduce puffiness, and it just feels good. So that's my initial kind of like unboxing reveal for you. This is a great facial roller. I highly recommend it. I think it will last much better than my previous two facial rollers that I purchased, and so I really look forward to using this. It feels like a luxury item for sure. It's very heavy, and it's just very smooth and well made. So I hope you like this unboxing, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.